Hi everyone! So today pag-aaralan natin how to get the mean of group data. So we can get the mean of the group data by getting the summation of the frequency times the class mark. Frequency is how often the set of data appears in the distribution. Pag sinabi naman natin class mark, siya naman yung midpoint ng bawat class na meron tayo in a given set of data. So para makuha natin yung numerator, imumultiply natin si frequency and class mark sa bawat class. So, katulad nito, 1 times 28, hindi na tayo gagamit ng calculator. Answer is 28. 2 times 23, o kaya na rin natin yan. That's 46. 4 times 18, gamitan na natin ng calculator. 4 times 18 equals 72. 6 times 13, so that 6 times 13 is 78. Ito, wag na natin gamitan ng calculator, no? 10 times 8, 80. 7 times 3, 21. So, if we're going to look at this, yan yung product ng frequency and class mark ng bawat class. Since we're looking for the summation, we need to add all the data that we have in this column. So, i-add lang natin yan. Gamit tayo ng calculator. I-add natin si 28, 46, 72, 78, 80, and 21. Tignan natin kung tama ang data. So, 21, 80, 78, 72, 46, and 28. Tama. So, we press equal sign. The answer is 325. So, yung summation, pag inad natin lahat ng product ng frequency at class mark sa bawat class, ang total is 325. So, to get the mean, may numerator na tayo, 325. Over n, which represents the total frequency. So, yung frequency natin, i-add natin to lahat, yun ang magiging denominator natin. So, that's 1 plus 2, 4, 6, 10, and 7. And that is 30. So, that means n is 30. So, our denominator will be 30. And kapag dinivide natin yan, based on the formula, we'll have the mean. So, 325 divided by 30, ang sagot ay, okay, 65 over 6. We click on SD to make it decimal. The mean is approximately 10.83. So, yan. Ganyan kung paano hanapin yung mean. Ano ulit? Multiply ang frequency at ang class mark ng bawat class. Then, get the summation or add all those products. And that will be our numerator. Pagdating naman sa denominator, we add all the frequencies. And the total frequency would be n, which represents the denominator. At i-divide lang yun. And that will give us a mean. Thank you, and that's it for the mean of group data.